Welcome to the second part of Topic 4, which is all about directions. In this video, we'll go through letters J to Y. Okay, let's begin. Junction. Junction. Just around the corner. Just around the corner. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep walking along, and then you can add road, street, river, railway tracks, etc. For instance, keep walking along this road, or keep walking along this street, or keep walking along the river. Left side. Left side. Location. Location. Near. Near. Near the, then you can add the landmark. For instance, near the park, near the beach, near the car park, near the house. Next. Nearby. Nearby. Next to the, you can add the landmark. For instance, next to the park, next to the restaurant, next to the shop. North. North. North and south. North and south. On the corner. On the corner. On the left. On the left. On the right. On the right. On your left side. On your left side. On your right side. On your right side. Opposite to. Opposite to. Outside. Outside. Position. Position. Right side. Right side. Signpost. Signpost. South. South. Straight on. Straight on. So you can say take the, you can add first, second, third, etc. And then add the road, street, lights, etc. For instance, take the first road. Take the second street. Take the first lights. Take the third road. The other side. The other side. This side. This side. Traffic lights. Traffic lights. Turn back. Turn back. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left onto, then you add the street, road, etc. For instance, turn left onto Harbinger Street. Turn left onto Oxford Street. Turn left onto Smith Road, etc. etc. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right onto, and you add the street, road, etc. For instance, turn right onto Smith Street. Turn right onto Gloucester Street. Turn right onto Orchard Road. Next, walk along the, then you can add a parallel landmark or a road or a bridge. For instance, walk along the road, or walk along the bridge, or walk along the river, or walk along this street, etc., etc. Next, west. West. What's the quickest way to get to? Then you add the destination. For instance, what's the quickest way to get to the bank? What's the quickest way to get to the airport? What's the quickest way to get to the school? What's the quickest way to get to the station? And so on and so on. Next, what's the best way to, and then you add the destination again. For instance, what's the best way to the shopping center? What's the best way to the restaurant? What's the best way to the grocery store? And so on and so on. Next, what's the easiest way to, and then you add the destination again. For instance, what's the easiest way to the pharmacy? What's the easiest way to the shopping center? What's the easiest way to the mall? What's the easiest way to the school? Next, where can I find the nearest? Then you add the landmark or your point of interest. For instance, where can I find the nearest post office? Where can I find the nearest station? Where can I find the nearest shopping center? Where can I find the nearest computer store? Next, where is the, and then you add the destination. For instance, where is the car mechanic store? Where is the grocery store? Where is the park? Where is the daycare center? Lastly, you will pass a or an, then you add a landmark. For instance, you'll pass a chemist. You'll pass a daycare center. You will pass a school. You'll pass a police station, and so on and so on. Congratulations on finishing topic 4, which is all about directions. Hope you pronounced everything perfectly. If you didn't, please go back and try again as many times. The next topic, topic 5, is all about the town and the city. See you in the next section.